The idea is to make those steps look like these steps. Hello, so in here we have the Benchmark cement mixer, which I need for my projects. And it's been a while since I bought it, but today we're going to open it up. That's how it looks when you open up the box. And here we have our instructions, and I may need them to put it together. All right, so far so good. It's pretty straightforward. Drawings are correct, and all the hardware comes pre-sorted in a little baggie, so you don't have to go and sort through everything and determine what you need next. So that's pretty good, pretty well organized. However, you have to bring your own tools to this party. This is not like IKEA. So you want to make sure that those arrows line up, and that's how your agitation or mixing paddles should look and be attached to the bottom part of the drum. So far so good. Little of a fiddle job getting those lined up, but it worked. Okay, everything put together. I had the drum the wrong way, so we turned it around, but you need two people to do that. We are plugged in, and here goes nothing. So this load now was probably the maximum you can put in there. They claim you can put 50 pounds in it, and that's what I did. It's a 50-pound pre-mixed concrete and 3 shovels of sand. And here I'm pointing out my dainty little lady shovel. It turns out that the unit is a little bit too low to empty into a standard size wheelbarrow. Some went in there, but then I have to empty out the rest into the bucket there, or a lower, smaller wheelbarrow that would work too. Clean up time, and then we have a picture of how the unit looked afterwards with some usage and battle scars. Thanks for watching.